Recently, I've started learning and making use of Markdown. For those who don't know, Markdown is a markup language that enables you to add formatting to what is otherwise a plain text document. Overall, I've really enjoyed using Markdown, and it's largely replaced my usage of traditional document creation software, where it's possible to do so anyway. So in today's video, I want to give 3 reasons why I love using Markdown so much, right now, on the Linux Lounge. The first reason why I love Markdown so much is that it's incredibly quick and easy to use. The syntax is incredibly logical and easy to learn. For the most part, everything works just how you would expect it to. For instance, in order to create a numbered list of items, you simply need to write a number on a new line, followed by a full stop, and then any text you want in the list. Then the next line needs to be the next number, and so on and so forth. Even less immediately intuitive syntax is still fairly easy to use. For instance, to make a heading, you only need to put a hash symbol before your title, and if you want to change the size of that heading, add more hash symbols. Easy, right? Once you've learned all the syntax, Markdown is honestly probably quicker and easier to use than a traditional text editor. Instead of rooting around in some office software to format your text, you just need to type out some simple symbols. Easy, right? Another reason why I enjoy Markdown is that it's extremely flexible. Realistically, you could produce a Markdown document on just about any device capable of writing plain text, which is awesome. I mean, try to run the newest version of Microsoft Office on some old netbook, I dare you. Furthermore, there are numerous Markdown compatible apps for virtually every platform, each with its own unique and interesting features. No matter what your needs are, you'll probably find an app that's capable of meeting them. Plus, unlike Microsoft Office documents or other bloated file types, all Markdown files will work with any program capable of handling plain text. Now, granted, there is some extended Markdown syntax that only some Markdown programs are capable of handling correctly, but for the most part, any Markdown file will be compatible with any Markdown program, and once you finish writing your Markdown document, there's a lot that you can do with it. You can convert it to almost any document type out there, including some actually really beautiful PDF documents. You can even create a slideshow with it, which is really cool. Overall, Markdown is just vastly more flexible than programs like Microsoft Office and LibreOffice. Another reason why I love Markdown is that it's really powerful. Markdown can do all kinds of things that you just never imagine being possible with a plain text file. You can add images, tables, links, mathematical formulas, and more. And that's just scratching the surface. If you can think of it, Markdown is probably capable of doing it, all despite effectively just being a plain text document. That really is amazing. So with all that said, those are 3 of the reasons why I love Markdown. If you take anything away from this video, it should be that you need to get out there and start using Markdown. But with that said, that's it for today's video. I thank you for watching it, and I will see you in the next one.